can't add these fractions yet. Do you know why? Because the denominators are different, right? So the first thing we have to do is to make sure they have a common denominator, right? Okay, there's different method, but I'm going to be using the LCM method. So what is the LCM of 4 and 5? That means the smallest number that 4 and 5 can divide exactly without leaving a remainder. All right, so the trick to this is just to look at 4 and 5. If 4 and 5 do not have any common factor, you could just multiply the two numbers. So for you to know the lowest common multiple of 4 and 5, you just multiply 4 times 5, and that is 20. All right, so the LCM is 20. So we can write equivalent fractions for these, all right? Or we just use the LCM method. So 4 goes in 20 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. And 5 goes in 20 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. And 15 plus 12, that is 27 over 20. And if we write this as a mixed number, we check how many 20s are there in 27. 1 with a remainder of 7 over 20. That's the answer. I talked about the equivalent fraction method. So just knowing the LCM is 20, you could write an equivalent fraction such that the two fractions have the same denominator of 20. So for us to do that, we have to multiply 4 by 5 to get 20, and then we multiply the numerator also by 5. So we do 5 times 3, that gives us 15. 5 times 4, that is 20, okay? Now the denominator is 20. For the denominator to be 20 here, we have to multiply 5 by 4. And then we do the same thing to the numerator. So we do 3 times 4, 12. And then 5 times 4 is 20, okay? So having the same denominator, that means they are like fractions, we could just add the numerator, just like you're adding 15 apples plus 12 apples, all right? And that will give you 27 apples. All right, so we take the answer to a mixed number since it's an improper fraction, right? So how many 20s are there in 27? We've done that already. We know it's 1, and then remainder 7 over 20. So the answer is 27 over 20, which is the same thing as 10 and 7/20. All right, please do well to go over the video if you need to, and if you have any questions, I'm always here. Also remember to follow, like, and let me have your feedback. Thank you.